Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2010 Ford F-350 Lariat long bed, FX4 Off-Road. We're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows, the tow mirrors obviously, the running boards, aftermarket wheels and tires, backup camera, backup sensors, tow pack. The bed. Not sure if they're putting in a bed liner or not. Just give us a call or a text and we can I'll let you know if they plan on doing that or not. Truck's in great shape. I mean, it's one of the nicer 2010s I've seen in a while. Here is tire size for you. This really is one of the cleaner ones I've seen in a while. Fairly low miles, like 90,000, but we'll see here in just a second. Baby miles for a diesel, that's for sure. Fog lights. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks. It's like power memory seats, power mirrors. Gonna block the glare here, guys. Sorry about this. Not the best video walk around in the world. There you go. Power seat. Let's get the condition of the leather. I do not see tears, stains, rips. Nothing at all. These do have their WeatherTech floor mats as well. Great ad. There's a sunroof there. Love the WeatherTech floor mats here, me personally. I think they're a great ad on a vehicle. There they are there. Rear slider. Condition of the seats back here. Alright, let's get some features up front. Try to block that glare again. Steering wheel controls. Step in here. Factory tow assist. Media center, navigation, backup camera. Heated seats, pedal adjusters. Ford sync. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Navigate this here with one hand. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. This thing is clean. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. There's the mileage there, 91,000. Very low miles, as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. There's navigation there. Put it in reverse. Backup camera. Does have Sirius satellite radio. Stereo works great. AC blows cold. Everything works. This is a clean Ford. Let's go back to the engine so you can hear it. It's purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration. Hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.